Today for dinner we have selected this fish commonly known as Anchovy in English and Mandeli in the western parts of India like Maharashtra. It's actually a saltwater fish found in the Arabian Sea, very shiny glittery surface and not very big in size, contains a lot of proteins, the bones are chewable, it's very tasty. And let's jump into the ingredients straight away. We have cleaned the fish, adding just about 2 tablespoons of chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder. Then we are going to add coriander powder, which is 1 tablespoon or little more. Turmeric, very little as per taste. And pepper powder, very important ingredient, just about 1 tablespoon. Now comes corn powder, which might be slightly more than 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste, and vinegar or lime juice, just about 1 tablespoon. Now we have to mix it for some time. It has to be done very softly. Little more chili powder because we think it's required to add taste and to make it more colorful. And we'll leave this for 10 minutes, and in the meantime I can also briefly tell you we had posted 2 more videos, one about a fish curry and about a fish fry yesterday. We got wonderful response, and we feel that we'll add more such videos, in fact lots of more such videos related to fish fry and fish curry. Please stay tuned. So the oil is quite hot now. We are going to just put the mandeli. We have taken a very small frying pan just to make sure that we can deep fry. So this is almost 3 minutes on high flame. Now we are going to turn it upside down. As you can see, it's on high flame still. So this is another 3 minutes past. Now it is on medium flame, and the first lot is ready. Because of this corn flour, it has really become very crispy, very delicious. So this is the third time we are frying, or the third lot in fact we are frying, and I do not like it so very crispy also. So this time it is going to be softer from inside and otherwise crispy from outside. This is how it is going to be. It's almost over. Within the next 1 minute we are going to just remove it from the pan. I would thank all the viewers and request you all, please subscribe for our channel and encourage us to show you such videos, and lots of new videos which are going to be posted by us on very good delicacies. Thank you so much once again.